Write me perfect Fiverr gig title. I don't know what your gig is. Or next time send me some information and send me your URL of your Fiverr gig, and then we will do it. Again, on Fiverr, put a video on your landing page. And that's what you need to do. Not many people put videos on it. So use video. And then run video ads or display ads to your Fiverr gig if you're not getting any jobs. I know you cannot track conversion tracking with them, and it's not very scientific way of working this out. But the way you can do it is, let's say you're running ads, you got 100 clicks on your ads, and you took them to your Fiverr gig, and you say, I've got 10 jobs, and each job is worth $100, let's say. Keep the maths simple. So your conversion rate is 10%. So now you know that every 10 clicks, I'm getting a job. So if that conversion rate stays the same, instead of 100 clicks, you send 200 clicks or 300 clicks, as much as you want. And then you earned 1,000 because 10 people paid you 100. 10 times 100 is 1,000, divided by 100 clicks. So the value per click is $10. So let's say your cost per click is $2. So you got a 5x ROAS on your ads. It's a very unscientific way of doing this, but this is the best you're going to get. And this is how I would run these ads. And as long as your cost per click is lower than your value per average order value, there is no way you can lose money.